Hey there, teachers. If you're looking for a way to make your lessons more dynamic, more collaborative, and honestly, just a whole lot more fun, you have come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of digital whiteboards. So let's get this out of the way. I know what so many of you are thinking. Jamboard, it was simple, it was easy, and now it's going away. And that's a genuine pain point for so many of us who really relied on it for those quick, in-the-moment activities. But here's the thing. What if this isn't really a loss, but an upgrade? The tools that have stepped up to fill that space are so much more powerful, more creative, and they open up this entire universe of possibilities. We're not just talking about a simple jam session anymore. This is like a full-blown creative symphony. First up, let's talk about a tool you probably already know and love, but maybe not in this way. Say hello to your creative ally, Canva. You see, here's Canva's secret weapon. It's not some separate tool you have to learn from scratch. It's built right into the design suite you're likely already using for your slideshows and worksheets. This means you can take any static presentation and, with one click, turn it into an interactive, creative playground. And getting started is just ridiculously easy. You don't even need to make a new file. Just open any presentation you've already made, right-click on a slide, and hit Expand to Whiteboard. And boom! Just like that, you have an infinite canvas to play with, right where all your other content already lives. Okay, you ready for some pro tips? These are going to make you feel like a Canva whiteboard genius. First, just hit the S key on your keyboard for an instant sticky note. So good! Worried about students moving your background around? Just select it and hit the little lock icon. Problem solved. You can even run a timer right on the board. See every single student's cursor moving in real time. And get this, import your old presentations directly from Google Drive. Oh yeah, we've all been here, right? You run this fantastic brainstorming session, the ideas are just flying, and the board ends up looking, well, a little chaotic. Kind of like this. It's a sign of amazing engagement, but man, it is a nightmare to try and organize afterward. But this is where Canva really flexes its digital muscles. It has a secret weapon to bring beautiful, wonderful order to that beautiful chaos, and it's all powered by AI. And just look how easy this is. You just drag a box around all those messy sticky notes, click one button, the sort button, and then you just sit back and watch the magic. Canva's AI actually reads the content and automatically clusters the notes into groups based on their topic. It means you get to spend your time focusing on the ideas, not on the cleanup. Okay, now for our second tool. If Canva is your all-in-one creative suite, I want you to think of FigJam as your dedicated, super-powered collaboration hub. So what's the deal with FigJam? Well, it was built from day one for a single purpose, to be the absolute best digital whiteboard for real-time collaboration. It's all about brainstorming, diagramming, and organizing ideas as a group, and it does it so well. Now here's a feature I absolutely love for the classroom: live anonymous voting. This is a total game changer for getting honest feedback. When students can vote without their names attached, even your quietest kids feel safe to share their real opinions. It's a super fast, democratic way to make decisions without anyone feeling that peer pressure. And check this out. FigJam has audio chat built right into the board. This is incredible for breakout groups. Your students can literally jump into a small audio call to discuss their part of the whiteboard without ever leaving the page. No more juggling different links. It keeps everything neat and tidy in one spot. You know, feedback should be fast, easy, and let's be real, it should be fun. FigJam just nails this with stamps and emotes. Students can quickly drop a stamp on an idea they love or release a whole burst of emojis to react to something. It's this quick, visual way to check for understanding and just keep the energy way up. Okay, for all my visual thinkers out there, you are going to love this. FigJam's connectors are just so smart. You've got these elbow connectors that neatly snap into place for flowcharts and mind maps, and then straight ones for direct links. And the best part, they stay attached to your shapes even when you move them around, so your diagrams never, ever break. And the list of superpowers just keeps going. I mean, think about embedding project management widgets from apps like Asana, or diving into this massive library of fun stickers to add some personality. You can even use the Spotlight feature, which basically makes every student's screen follow your view. It's perfect for direct instruction. And you never have to start from a blank page, thanks to tons of ready-made templates. Whew. Okay, so we've looked at two amazing, really powerful tools. Now for the big question: which one is right for you and your classroom? Let's just break it down. If you're already living in the Canva world and you want a whiteboard that just seamlessly fits in with all your presentations and designs, Canva's a no-brainer. The learning curve is basically zero. But if your number one goal is to have the most powerful, feature-rich, real-time collaboration experience you can get, then FigJam is the undisputed champ. Now, Canva and FigJam are incredible starting points, but it's good to know they're not the only players in this game. You might hear names like Miro or LucidSpark, which are also super powerful platforms. But for most of our needs in the classroom, honestly, Canva and FigJam really offer that perfect blend of power and simplicity. All right, you are now officially armed with the knowledge to totally level up your lessons. So it's time to put it into practice. It is time for your first mission. I love this quote because it gets right to the heart of why these tools even matter. Collaboration. That's where the magic happens in a classroom, right? It's where students build on each other's ideas to create something bigger and better than they ever could on their own. So here's your challenge. I want you to open up either Canva or FigJam right now, like today, and create a simple artifact. It could be a mind map, a collection of sticky notes, a vision board, whatever. Just make something that represents your goals for your classroom this year. Don't just learn about these tools. Use them. Your collaborative classroom adventure starts today.